We're close to see what the number is. CN. Check the number. $25.98. 2408. Cool. The first number was $25.98. Ah, cool. Long one. Let's see, that's one. Number was $25.98. Second was 24.47. Had strikes too. Cool, I got to see a train. Manifest train. Had a lot of cool cars and gas cars. Number car. Let's go freeway because it's where it looks. Green number car. Cool, that's a long train right there. Black cars. It came pretty quick this time. Cause the last time it took a lot longer. Remember that Amtrak train, and that took a lot longer. More coal cars. First engine was $25.98. That eastbound was that thing, I'm not sure. It's either that or the light turned off.